baby. I got the part I need, so let's rip this bad boy out. Yeah. All right, so I don't know why it's this way, but if you look at the motor mount on this side, if you can see it right behind the oil filter there, right? Decent amount of room. And on this side, right there, not as much, but you still need the deep socket. Then my other question is, is it prone to just fall? So I hooked this thing back up. So when I unbolt the last bolt, I got that side, just need this side. But God forbid something happens, it'll be connected so it can only move so much. All right. So I put blocks under all the wheels just to make sure I'm safe. You can see I've got the lift connected. Now I gotta see if I can reach it. All right, so if you look at that motor mount right there, there's not enough space for a deep socket. I tried the short socket, wasn't working. So I'm gonna see if there's enough little lip there in that little flange where I could use like a regular wrench. Hopefully that'll work. I don't even know what tool you would get this with. The deep socket, if I put the deep socket on, it's like literally the height of the opening. If I put the shallow socket on, no matter what, it's not getting enough grip. So that's where I'm at now. Boom. I just grabbed all my tools and I just kept trying a million different things until finally I was able to get it. So I got it. Boom. All right, I got both motor mounts off, so I'm gonna try and lift this bad boy out of here. I think I'm good to go, but we'll find out pretty quick. So it's still attached. I gotta figure out why. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, because the motor mounts are off. Maybe there's a bracket underneath. Let me go check. Back under the truck, baby. I'm pretty sure it's because I gotta fully disconnect this, and the tranny's bolted on here, which makes sense. But just making sure, trying to make sure I unbolt the right ones. I'll probably call up my buddy Jim. Let's see what Jim's doing. All right, thank you, Adolfo and Steven. So they were able to show me what I need to do to pop this bad boy out. And he was saying, make sure to take the drive line first so it doesn't fall on your face. And then they had a good point. You should probably support the transmission before I pop it out. I mean, it's a manual, so it's small, so I'm not overly worried. I do have the lift hooked up also, but I might want to put something under there. All right, I got a pry bar. Let's see if I can pop this drive line off. Oh, smacked my phone. Sorry if that was loud. Uh-oh. Disconnect the drive line. I have these little caps on there. It's kind of cool. And these bad boys. All right, boom. All right, I'm running low on time, but I'm gonna see if I can disconnect the transmission because that's really the only piece. I'm gonna stop saying the only piece. I've said that like a million times, and I keep finding other stuff I gotta do. But I'm pretty sure that's the only piece left. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do that before I run out of time. So just to give you an idea what I'm doing here, I'm on this back lower bolt right on the bottom. And I'm just loosening these bad boys up. I think once I take this one off and this one off, I think it'll be able to come out. All right, just about got it. Both bolts are loose. I'm just trying to get both bolts off. You can see this one and that one over there. This dust. All right, both bolts are out. Let's see if we can lift it now. All right, boom, baby. All right, so looking at it, my only guess is probably just the way that transmission sits on there. I probably just have to lift it up a little. So I probably need to get a jack and do that. I think it's a good stopping point for today. I'm confident by next time I come back out here, I'll be able to pull it out. It's probably just that, I'm guessing. But I'm also going to ask around and see if there's anything else I'm missing. But I think we're pretty good. I think it's just probably because the way it sits back. Probably just have to lift the transmission up a little and it should be able to swing out. But we'll see. Let's find out. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And appreciate you taking the time to watch my channel. Boom. Oh.